in this video we are going to see that what you will do if you can't print any document from Google Chrome. So for those of you who don't know this, Google Chrome provides you a feature through which you can directly print any of the web pages, although nobody wants that, but still, if once in a blue moon you decide to do that, so let's see how do we do that. So the process is really simple. Once you have opened up your browser, whatever screen you want to print, you just press Ctrl, Shift and P from your keyboard. This will bring up the print menu, and from here you can just select the printer which you want to print your documents. Since I do not have a printer right now, I can simply click on Microsoft Print to PDF. In case you have already set up a printer but that is not showing over here, so you can simply just click on Find Printer. It would find the printer for you. So if I just click on here, so any of the printers that are available onto the area, onto the network, those would be shown over here. You can just select that printer. Okay, then click on Print, and then the document, whatever the screen you want to print, that would be printed. Okay, the second thing is that if it doesn't happen this way, if the print doesn't happen, what you can do is you can go to these three dots on the top right corner, click on them, go to More Tools, and here is this option of Clear Browsing Data. Alternatively, you can also use the shortcut, which is Ctrl, Shift and the Delete key. So whichever way you want, you would be ending up on this particular dialog box. So here it asks you to clear the browsing data. First of all, go into Basic. Time range you can select as per your wish. It is recommended to go for all time. Then you can clear all these three things. Or if you want to protect some important information, then you can go to the advanced tabs, and then you can see that what information you want to protect. Suppose you don't want to delete the cookies, so you can just uncheck this and then click on Clear Data. So this data would be cleared, and once it's done, then what you can do is restart your browser, restart your computer. First of all, restart your computer and then open up the Chrome browser, and the printer error would have been fixed. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.